Hello, Augies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Today we're going to take just a moment to examine some products by a company called CAIG, C-A-I-G, that are very important in ham radio when it comes time to do maintenance, do things like fix scratchy volume controls, cable connectors need cleaning, and so on. These products were made just for that. The trade name that these go under is called DeOxit, D-E-O-X-I-T, DeOxit. And the most famous of the products that they have is this Deoxys G5 right here, which is readily available online for ordering. Now, I did a video about this some time ago. Now, the company asked if they could send me some new products, and so they sent me several here, and I'll show them to you and talk a little bit about what you might want to use them for. The first one, this is all in the Gold series, the G series, is Deoxit Gold G5. And it conditions gold surfaces. A lot of audio cables and things like that are gold plated. It's very thin gold plating, but it's gold plating nonetheless. And this is specifically designed to clean that. It can also be used on what are called the base metals, meaning not gold, and clean them up too. These are definitely chemicals, so they're not something that you want to leave outside for your 3-year-old to get hold of. Put them well away, you know, somewhere high up in the garage when you're not using them. But when it comes to, if you're having trouble, say, with a coax switch or something like that, this is the kind of stuff that you use to clean that out. So the next one here is a smaller version of the Deoxit Gold. It's all different kinds of things that it can be used for. And it's a smaller package, which you may want to go to, because a little of this stuff goes a long, long ways. Okay, and yes, these can be sent through the mail, so you can order them. Or if they won't send it through the mail, they can do UPS or FedEx or something like that. This is the Deoxit Connector Cleaner Enhancer and Protector, D100L. And there are 2 little bottles of it here, along with a bunch of applicators that you can use and presumably reuse. What happens is this stuff dissolves the corrosion and rust, and then the base chemical evaporates very quickly and takes with it the bad stuff. So it's pretty quick and easy, and it gives an example here of cleaning contacts on your hi-fi. Next we have this Deoxit for batteries, and the application they show there is just a simple battery, like this one looks like a AA, something like that. And it shows all different kinds of batteries that might get a little corrosion on them. If you have any intermittent, the thing doesn't want to stick down tight, you can use something like this to clean it up. Now, this next product's a little interesting. It's called Handy Glove, and you spray this on your hand. It's a unique hand lotion that creates an invisible glove, and then it's also anti-static too. And I haven't tried this yet. Let's see, when finished with your activity, rub or just wash your hands with soap and water, and it'll take the stuff off. So for those of you who might be kind of a little bit sensitive to some of the goop and gunk that comes with cleaning antennas, cleaning rotors, cleaning cables, and so on, this stuff can help protect your hands while you're doing that, and then will just wash off. Now, this last thing they sent me is cute. It's a little marketing thing. It says Deoxit. It is a little handy flashlight, and the other end is a pen. Okay, now you can't light what you're writing on, so I don't know. But it's a marketing type of thing. The battery's not replaceable in there, so and it's got a long string, so you can put it around your neck as a necklace, I guess. Now let me just mention some other products that they have that were not included in this latest mix. This is the standard old Dioxit D5. This stuff works really well. Every ham shack should have some. If you've got a connector or something that's just giving you trouble, you know, you've got, like, for example, this old barrel connector right here. You might want to clean it up. This stuff will do the job. Keep paper towels handy, and it's probably best to wear some gloves. This is the Dioxo D100L. Again, the same type of thing, and it's got a long applicator that you can take off, and then you can get right down inside of something, like, say, a potentiometer still in the circuit. Guys who restore old radios just swear by this stuff. One other thing they do give is some lithium grease that you can use where you would use lithium grease. You know, rotors, things that might want to tend to corrode just a little bit can be protected with this stuff here. So that is a quick look at the Deoxit collection at www.deoxit.com. And check it out. You can mail order this stuff. A number of places will carry this for sale. Their market really is the electrical communications market for cleaning cables, cleaning connections, cleaning ground connections, cleaning all of these types of things that you don't think of when you study for your license manual, but are very important. These good stuff, so go ahead and use it. I don't have a link to Amazon or anything like that, but you can go directly to deoxit.com and find out where these are sold, or you can order direct. I would think every ham shack would want the D5, Deoxit D5, in their collection of tools. It's, you know, after a while, you're going to need to clean something that's electrical. This will do it, and it will do it very well. Be sure to check out my support page at dcasler.com/support. Lots of ways to support the site. One way you can support the site that doesn't cost any money is to be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Been very good talking with you today. I am trying out a new type of light. This is a flat panel light, and I'll tell you more about it if I like the results. So let me know what you think of the lighting. It's a little harsh, I think, but we'll see. It's right there, right in front of me. So until we next meet, 73.